Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to apply so many formatting in MS Excel with the mobile phone. Okay, so before I start, please subscribe to my channel and share it, and please press the like button. Okay, if you can see, I have already installed MS Excel in my mobile phone and I have already opened it. Okay, this is my file. Okay, just you assume it like if I have to create annual report of that, so how I'll create it. Like see, 1 2 3 4, so many numbers I have written. Now the next number will be the next number. If I want to type 12, then the next number will be 24. So two numbers I have written, and then I'm writing 2 to 3 numbers so that I can explain you in a better manner. If you simply drag it, so it will come, cut, copy, paste, that you can do it in a very easy manner. Okay, like simply. Okay, so I want to insert one row above of it. Okay, so I'm pressing it here, and if you can see, cut, copy, paste options will come. So many editing features will come also, and paste option is also here. So again I'm clicking on it, and if you can see, if you will click here in the home tab, insert tab will come. So in the insert tab, if you want to insert row, column, table shape is there. So I don't table if you is there. So if I'll select it in a table, it is going to do the formatting related to table. Okay, so I have already inserted, and so I want to give the heading of the table also. You can change it heading of the table also by using it, like insert, left, right, below, everything. The option is there, so that you are supposed to do. Okay, just suppose that I am clicking on insert tab button, and I'm 132 insert. It is asking header row, first column, banded columns, what you are supposed to click. So total row, I have inserted total row, so it is going to insert it. So many formatting is there in MS Excel, like how to create it, how to change the different tab buttons, home, insert, draw, formula, data, review, view, so that you can change it. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you understood how to change the different menus. Thank